Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how I gained 10,000 followers on Instagram doing exactly what High on Life did in their video. I'll be showcasing everything I did, including promotions and how long it took. So let's get started. Alright, let me just start off by saying High on Life's video really motivated me to start up an Instagram page, so that's exactly what I did. I got up, tried to imagine what my page would be around, and I created an ad. So let's get started. I'm gonna begin to talk about what everyone came here for, and that is what I did and how I did it. I managed to screen record everything from 200 followers to about 10,000 followers. Sadly, I lost the audio to the screen recording, so I'll be talking over it. I mean, the proof's in the screen record, so if you don't believe anything, then I don't know what else to tell you. But for now, I'll be showing you guys the ad that was posted on the bigger pages promoting my page, so let's check it out. So a quick little note while the ad's playing. I wanted this ad to really stand out from the others, so I decided to make a typography type ad that I based off of a trailer. I wanted to keep the audience engaged and want them to keep watching the ad until the end where it, plugs my page. So as long as you make the ad interesting, it should stand out. So here, I believe this was around 500 followers. This is when I got my first ad up. I had an ad before this that was not even worth. I recommend you guys look at the engagement on the page before you throw money at them. That was a mistake I had. So this was the page that promoted me, Game Zone. He was one of the few pages I talked to that were actually really nice and were willing to give me discounts. This is completely up to you. You can pay full price or you can do what I did, which was negotiate for a cheaper price. Anyways, getting on to the next day, as soon as I checked my phone, I gained almost 2,000 followers from that single ad. So we can tell that the ad worked. It really engaged with the people, really got them interested in the page and enticed them to follow. So that's exactly what you want to do, and you should receive the same results. It all varies, but alright, so we're gonna move on to the next couple days here where I made another update video. I believe it was 4 days later. So for my personal reasons, I had exams, so I wasn't really too interactive with the page. I wasn't pushing out ads as fast as I could. So those 4 days were kind of really slow days actually. I wasn't getting as much engagement because ads weren't up. I wasn't posting that much, but I still managed to gain at least another 2,000 followers or so. Anyways, moving on to something I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to be showing you the amount of emails I sent out to pages, just showing a little bit of proof of that I actually emailed people and searched and DM'd. Looking at all the pages I reached out to, I see that I emailed a lot of people, and this took a while, but I tried to email a lot of relevant pages, but eventually none of them really got back to me. Some of them did, but I went out of my way and emailed some meme pages which have a general audience, which is not a bad idea, but I managed to do that, and I got a good amount of replies. So making it to the halfway point at around 5K, I'm about 4 to 5 ads in, which has costed me about maybe 80 bucks. I saw some people in the comments saying they were expecting to spend thousands of dollars or something, but if you just find the right people and negotiate, you can really cut the costs of advertisements. And that's exactly what I did. But with statistics at the 5K, it was doing pretty well. An important thing I have to say is captions are really key. They really engage with your audience. You can ask them a question. I think High on Life mentioned this in their video and I followed it. I always ask them, oh, what's your favorite this? What's your favorite that? Comment this, tag your friend. It's all really good and people end up doing it. I get a good amount of comments on each post and it's really cool to see what people have to say. Alright, so from 171 followers to 2,000 to 5,000, this experiment has gotten me to 10K. It's really awesome. You just gotta follow these steps. I should bring it up here. Yep. I pull up refresh the page. There you go. 10K. So overall, it's been really fun. I'm gonna obviously keep going with the page. I want to grow and expand as much as I can. I want to thank High on Life for their video, for motivating me to create this page. So the last couple tips I have for you guys are, let's do a little quick recap. First thing I want to get out of the way is make sure you watch High on Life's videos. They're all really informative and they will help you if you really want to grow your Instagram page. I will link it in the description if you are interested. Alright, so the first tip I have for you is make sure your ad is good. This is basically a commercial for your page. People are going to want to be interested in your page. So you make an interesting ad, people will be like, oh shit, this is pretty cool. They're going to check out your page, they're going to see your content, and they're going to follow you. Second tip I have is email a shit ton of pages. Like, it doesn't matter if most of them reply, because you're looking for the ones who do reply, and then you can negotiate the price with them, make sure it's in your budget obviously, and get it posted at a good time. Check their page, how their engagement is, make sure the page and their followers are active. Check the best time when your ad should be posted so you get the most out of your money, and you should be good. And the last tip I have for you is don't give up. When you have those small little amounts of followers and stuff, it's gonna seem shitty, but it doesn't matter. Once you see your page growing and growing, you're gonna gain so much motivation, and you're gonna want to keep going until you reach like 100k, 200k, million, I don't know. So make sure you just keep it up, follow the steps in the video, and you should be good. Let me know. Like the video, comment if you have any questions, comment if your progress is going well. I want to know if this video helped anyone. I'm making this video because a decent amount of people DM'd me about it. And yeah, make sure you share this with High on Life. I want to make sure they see this video because they really helped me. And hopefully I can reach out to them and talk to them, thank them, because I also live in Vancouver. And it's been great, so make sure you like the video. Also, follow my page. You can follow at VisualTeak if you'd like. I hope this video helped for everyone and answered some questions. Like I said, comment if you got any more questions and I'll be glad to answer them. I wish the best for everyone and their page. Thanks for watching.